Hey children, Sai Ram, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are here for subject EVS. We are going to start with our new session. What are we supposed to do before starting the session? Yes, we are going to start with the new words. So, first one, as usual, you have to repeat after me 3 times and you have to write those words 3 times in your book in a neat work. Okay, it should be neat work, nice handwriting. First word is earth. 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 Number 2. Orange. 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 Number 3. Land. 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 Number 4. Plains. 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 Children, there will be many new words here which you don't know what it mean. Okay, so when teacher will explain you the lesson, teacher will show you the picture and teacher will explain you what is that word all about. Okay, so now you just have to learn and by heart those new words. Teacher will explain the meaning later. Number 4. Plains. 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 Number 5. Mountains. This you all know, right? Mountains. 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 Number 6. Hills. 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 Number 7. Valleys. 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 Number 8. Crops. 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 Number 9. Oceans. 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 Lakes. 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 Number 11. Salty. 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 Number 12. Bright. 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 Number 13. Shining. 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 Number 14. Clouds. 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 C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Number 15. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Number 16. Stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Number 17. Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Most of the meaning you know here. Which you don't know, I'll explain you later, okay? Number 17. Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Number 18. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Number 19. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. 20. Sky. S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. S-K-Y, sky. 21. Twinkling. T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling. T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling. T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling. Number 22. Brightly. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. 23. Vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. 24 is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Last one, G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Now, I am going to ask you something. Let's see whether you can answer. Now, children, tell me, where do we live? You will say at home, in Thane. But teacher is asking, where do we live, on which planet? Which planet do we live? Do you know which planet do we live? We live on planet Earth. So children, which planet do we live? We live on a planet Earth. I will show you, okay? Wait. Now, tell me, what are the things you see in the sky? What are the things you see in the sky? I can see birds flying. I can see moon. I can see stars at night. During the daytime, I can see sun. I can see cloud. I can see birds. Sometimes I can see aeroplane. Sometimes I can see helicopter. There are so many things I can see in the sky. So today in this new lesson, that is lesson number 18, the earth and the sky. The name of our lesson is today, the earth and the sky. In this lesson, we are going to see and learn many new things. So are you excited? Okay, now do you know where we live? See, I'll show you. We live on earth. Our earth is round like an orange. It is made up of land and water. I will show you 1 minute. See. So, see, this big ball is our earth. This is our earth. Now, these are many planets. 1 minute, I will use some different colors so that you can see. This all are planets, okay? Our earth is on this one. This is our earth, which is round like a orange. If you take it closer, then it will look like this. 1 minute. Our earth looks like this. Okay, it is made up of land. See, this green color, it is land, and blue color is water. It is made up of land and water. It is round in shape like a orange. Okay. So we live on earth. Remember this. Now you will learn many more things in this lesson, but we will continue in our next session. We are going to see more about our earth. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care.